2010 Chevrolet Camaro SS. Nice looking two-door hardtop coupe in Inferno Orange Metallic. Of course, 2010 is when Chevrolet came out with the retro Camaro, made the new Camaro and brought it back with that retro look. Very popular cars, nice looking cars, great performing cars. 6.2 liter underneath the hood, 426 horsepower they had. I believe it was 420 pound-feet of torque, and that is paired up with an automatic transmission on this one, 6-speed automatic transmission. Now, great history to this car. It's a two-owner car. This car was actually sold by us to the second owner. He traded it back in on an older Corvette. Loved the car, just wanted to get an older Corvette that we had here. And a little over 25,000 original miles on it. And he's a very fussy car owner, and it shows. Now, if you want to check out the still pictures, so you can see the underside of this, interior, engine bay, check out the still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video in the description, there's a link. Click on it. It's going to take you right there. Of course, you can call us too, 507-386-1726. You look at the front fascia of this car. Nothing major for rocks, chips, dings, scratches. Check out the engine bay. Beautiful underneath there also. This particular car, some of the options on it. Those have the 20-inch wheels. Pirelli P0 tires on it. Those are not the original Pirellis. They have been replaced along the way. As you can see, a little bit of graphics has been added. That is vinyl. For some reason you'd want it taken off, it would come off. Apply it very nicely. This would have a locking rear differential, 327 rear gears. Interior, ebony with orange interior. Shifter on the floor. Steering wheel controls, power driver's seat. As you can see, you have your gauge cluster down in the center console. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. We can assist with transportation of this vehicle. And of course, it may be eligible for an extended service contract, so consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Now, if you want to know every option on this car, you want to see the RPO codes, they are with the still pictures. You can see the RPO codes in with the still pictures, as well as the underside, interior, engine bay, like I was saying. And those can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Again, down below this video in the description, there's a link. Click on it. That's going to take you right there. Now, I mentioned this was a two-owner car. It also has a clean Carfax, and that will confirm the two owners. It'll also confirm there's been no accidents. I have not seen any indications of paint work on this car. No indication of accidents on the Carfax. This car also has smoked side windows, FYI, and you can see that in the still pictures. Of course, over here we have the trunk release. Down on the door, power windows, power mirrors. It does have the Boston premium sound system to it. Come up here, steering wheel controls for radio, cruise, all of that. On the back side, you would have downshift for the automatic transmission here, and upshift on the passenger side of the steering wheel. So you can also run this as a manual tap shift. It would be a 6-speed automatic transmission. Let's go ahead and check this out. We're going to start it up. Seen some paperwork. I believe this one did have Borla exhaust added to it, and it does have a little throatier sound than a stock Camaro. So let's fire this up. All right, here. Stereo obviously works. There we go. Now, exact miles, 25,840. And you're going to see there's no warning indicators on. This one up here is just a seat belt. I'm not going to click that on since I'm just being in here a short time. You can hear that. Nice sounding exhaust. Camaro SS badging on the dash. Heated seats. There's your gauge cluster. Do have the sunroof in this one, OnStar of course. So we do have some goodies up here too if you can see them. And once again, those will all be in the still pictures. Over 100 pictures of this car online. You can check out every inch of it if you'd like. Alright, slip around to the back. Nice little throaty rumble out of that. Again, 6.2 here, 426 horse. This car will definitely turn some heads, sound and looks. And again, smooth runner, well taken care of, regular oil changes, 2 owners. I'm going to pause up here and I want to pop this hood and let's check out the engine bay. Alright, hood popped. Here's something I want to show you. It's always kind of a dead giveaway. Look at how clean that hood liner is. There's no remnants of dried salt, anything like that. I don't think this car has been driven in inclement weather. Lucky if it's been driven in the rain once. Take a look at this engine bay. Wow. Extremely clean. If you're looking for a well taken care of, low mile 2010 Camaro Coupe, here you go. This one will not disappoint. So there you go. Give us a call at 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. I'd like to inquire about this beautiful 2010 Camaro 2SS Coupe. Now remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with the transportation. And this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract, so consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.